Hello guys, today I'll show you how to clean the HP Omen gaming laptop. As a first look, I can tell I'm up for a treat with this one. You can see all the dust that's stuck in the air vents. And we start by unscrewing the base cover. And prying it all the way around. You can see all the dust that started popping off. It was really dirty. And here you can see the battery is the very first bad sign that we see. It's very swollen and it's totally dead. Usually when the battery is like this, it's better to replace it. It's highly recommended to replace it actually, because it can overvoltage and burn out your motherboard or any other component. You can see all the dust that's stuck in the fans as well. And before we do anything, first we remove the battery. And you can see again here how swollen it is. This should be totally flat. So we know that the laptop was being used a lot, like a lot. We remove the RAM, the SSD, the secondary hard drive. Using hard drives on laptops is the far least recommended thing to do, because laptops that are moved a lot and have mechanical disk inside, they tend to burn out very commonly. Here it was a bit annoying to remove the ventilation cover. It was all stuck because of the dust, and the HP made it really annoying to remove it. You had to remove the cover, the other cover on top of the fan, and then remove the fan, and then remove the cooler. So it had a lot of screws as well. In general, very good build quality. The fans though were a bit disappointing, because you cannot unscrew the cover of the fan. If the fan goes bad, you have to replace the whole fan with its case and all that. But nowadays the laptops are made like this. It's not like the old ones where you could unscrew the cover and clean the fan very well and lubricate it. Here I brought a thermal pad as well to replace the pads for the GPU, and I remove all the old ones. I measure that it's also 1mm. That is the most commonly used in laptops. And here you can see the air cooler, all the dust that's stuck inside the fins. Using the air blower, you can see all the dust coming out. And I'm also gonna brush it a little bit to clean better. And you can see now how clean this. Now it can breathe again. And I'm continuing with the alcohol to clean it thoroughly. And I'm cleaning also the laptop, of course, the CPU and the GPU using alcohol. I'm cleaning also the VRAMs on the motherboard and clean them really well with the brush as well. I'm using my contact cleaner to clean the alcohol that I pour on, and brushing also the motherboard and all the components, the fans, etc. You can see all the dust here with the air can. Really dusty. I clean also the heatsink for the M.2, the SSD from the air fan, and here I'm eyeballing the thermal pads to reapply on the VRAMs. Here I'm checking where the cooler is sitting to reapply all the necessary thermal pads. If you put too much thermal pad, I mean in terms of length, it's okay. If it's shorter, it's the problem, or if it's more thicker. If it's more thick, it won't touch then die on the CPU and the CPU, and that's a really big problem. So you should use the same thickness and almost length when you reapply thermal pads. Here I'm cleaning also the cooler on top from all the humidity that it made from the heat, and I'm starting to assembling back the laptop. A lot of screws. Clean also the RAM slots to reapply them and clean the RAMs as well. And here I'm applying again a new thermal pad for the SSD. I didn't have all the size in one piece, so I cut it 2 pieces. It's still okay, it's fine. I'm cleaning also the SSD. Putting back the secondary hard drive as well. Cleaning the base, the battery. The customer has also been notified about the battery to replace it. And here I'm screwing back the base cover, and it's almost time to put it up. Excuse me. Cleaning off my desk as well. It was really dirty. The laptop from the inside, you can see as well all the dust that popped off from the cleaning. So we clean the laptop as well on the outside, brush it off, and now it's time to clean it with some foam and the screen. You can see there near the touchpad how used the laptop has been. The paint has just went off. And cleaning the screen as well. And time to put it up. the battery was dead, so it wouldn't boot. I went on and bring the charger, and we can see the first light from the power button. And we have seen the life again. The CMOS was reset, so it's set to press the enter to continue, and you can see it booting up. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe to see more. Bye bye.